Want to unlock the secrets to skyrocket your website's conversion rate? Then this video is for you. We'll guide you through building a powerful conversion rate optimization or CRO funnel right here in Looker Studio, allowing you to visually track user behavior and plug those costly leaks in your customer journey. First things first, open Looker Studio and create a new report. Click the Create Report button. Now connect your data source. This could be Google Analytics for Google Ads, or even a spreadsheet containing your website's event data. For this example, we'll assume you are using Google Analytics so let's select Google Analytics. Then choose your desired GA for account and property. Once your data source is connected, add a new chart. Choose the funnel chart from the visualization options. You might need to click a chart and scroll down to find the funnel chart. Now it's time to configure your funnel stages. Drag and drop the relevant dimensions and metrics into the chart properties. These dimensions will represent the steps in your funnel. For example, you might use event name dimension and total users metric. Define your funnel steps using filters for each stage. Create a filter that isolates the specific event you're tracking, like page_view for a specific product page, or at _to_cart for when a customer adds an item to their shopping cart. Click Add Filter and configure your criteria. And there you have it. Your CRO funnel is now visually displaying user progression through your critical stages. Analyze those drop-off rates between each stage. Identify the bottlenecks and use these insights to experiment with changes on your website, like optimizing landing page design, improving checkout flow, or clarifying your calls to action. Now you can make data-driven decisions to increase your conversion rates and maximize your business potential.